Hello my loves, hope you're all well. So first off, I'm just going to start apologising. This video was supposed to go out on Friday evening, but I was away training Friday for the day and I just didn't have time Thursday to get it sorted and get it uploaded and stuff. So here it is today. Oh, excuse me, I'm yawned already. So this is a beautiful red and grey colour set I created a few weeks ago. So I'm just starting off on this middle finger. So whenever I'm doing a set of nails and I want to incorporate either colour blocking or smile lines, I always do start with those fingers first. So that when I've done another nail I come back and they're ready to file and add the next colour, etc. So I've removed her previous set and prepped all the natural nail and added a clear base. I always add a clear base to every set of nails I do, even if it's light colours. Yeah, I always add one. So on this finger here, that's birthday suit I've done in an extended nail bed. So I'm just going to let that set and then I'm moving on to this index finger. And this colour is Mrs. Claus. It is a really beautiful sparkly red. So it's a red base and it's got red sparkly bits in it as well, red glitter. So then I'm just coming in on the free edge with bead of ash. And I've placed it on and I've just feathered it back a bit. And sorry, I know I'm out of shot. I knew that when I was recording them. The blend obviously is a difficult one, but I knew I was going to be adding glitter over that join line anyway, so I wasn't overly fussed about it. So I've just double dipped into two of the Glitter Fairy glitters, and it was superfine Graphite and Ruby, so I just double dipped. And then this one is one of the glitters from the Beauty and the Beast stack that she did a long time ago, so I'm not even sure if she still has this. It's really, really beautiful. So I'm just going to let that set while I move on to this ring finger. And again, just double dipped into both of those glitters. I was initially going to add the chunky glitter onto that one, but I decided as I was doing it I really liked the way they looked on the full nail, so I'm just going to keep them like that. And I'm sure this pinky was just a full nail of Mrs. Claus. These tips on here are the Glitter Planet pre-pinch stiletto tips, and they've got super tight curve on them, which fits this client perfectly because she's got really deep natural nail folds, and the C-curve on her natural nail is incredible. So some of the flatter ones don't fit perfectly, but these Glitter Planet, these pre-pinch stiletto ones fit spot on. So someone commented on my video, oh, that nail is way too thick. It's not, it's just that her nail folds are that deep that it's not like flat like you would expect a normal natural nail to be. So as soon as you start adding anything on there, but you know, obviously she has them super long as well, so yeah, they don't look thick when you're at them in person. They look just beautiful. So I'm just going to cap this one, large bead of crystal glass, and tucked it into the cuticle, and then I'm just going to pat and press down the nail using the belly of my brush. And then I'm going to cap this one because it's a design powder as well. And the thumb on this set is just red as well. So this beauty is all set now, so I'm just going to come in with a new file just to refine the edges and make sure it's nice and crisp. What I've done is I've just added, I don't know why that's not recorded, I've just added a layer of grey, of ash around the outside of that smile line. So I've just made it to mimic the same shape as what the smile line already is. So we're just colour blocking here. Maybe I didn't get that in shot, that's why it's not in there. So all I did is I butted that right up against that smile line and tried to take it round and keep it in the same shape as the smile line all the way around. And then once that's set, here I am just filing it through, ready to pop the red on the end. Just trying to keep that shape as clean as I can on that free edge there, just to minimise filing a bit. I just needed to pop another bit up to there, just to make sure it's all blended in. This is my first time doing this style of colour blocking, so it wasn't perfect, but I know what to do for next time now. And I had quite a few people on my last video saying, oh my god, the camera angle's awful, no. Like, soz is the only place my camera can go. So yeah, that's it. Tough. I can't put it anywhere else. So I'm just filing this beauty through now. Really flat filing it on the top there, and then sort of beveling the sides in to make that beautiful shape. Nice curve to mimic a natural nail shape. I'm just using my Tap Free Top Gloss. Oh, look how beautiful that colour is. So lovely. So gorgeous. Some of them hairs off those old lint-free wipes. The most bloody useless things in the world, ever. So yeah, I'm just going to cure this for a full 60 seconds in my LED lamp, and now I'm just going to look at the shine. Isn't that top coat just stunning? Like, yes mate. So yeah, just going to leave you a little clip at the end again. Sorry that it's late. It was a accident. And I will love you and leave you. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up. And I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.